Welcome to our welding workshop. Today, we'll show you the essential steps to safely and effectively cut metals using a portable grinder. Let's get started. Before we begin, safety is our top priority. Always wear the proper safety gear: gloves, goggles, ear protection, and a welding apron. This will protect you from sparks, debris, and noise. Next, let's set up our portable grinder. Ensure you have the correct cutting disc for the type of metal you're working with. Check that the disc is securely attached to the grinder. Tighten the disc according to the manufacturer's instructions and check for any cracks or damage before use. Prepare your metal piece by measuring and marking the cut line. Use a marker and measuring tape to ensure accuracy. Clamp your metal piece securely to your workbench. This will keep it steady and reduce the risk of accidents. Make sure the clamps are tight and the metal doesn't move. Align the cutting disc with your marked line. Turn on the grinder and let the disc reach full speed before making contact with the metal. Gently guide the grinder along the line, applying even pressure. Remember to let the grinder do the work. Don't force it through the metal. A steady, consistent approach will give you the best results. Once you've completed the cut, turn off the grinder and let the disc come to a complete stop. Carefully remove any burrs or sharp edges with a file or sandpaper. This will ensure your metal piece is safe to handle and ready for welding. And there you have it. You've successfully cut metal using a portable grinder. Remember, practice makes perfect, and always prioritize safety. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more welding tips and tutorials. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more welding tips and tutorials.